the inspiration of taking motorcycles by boat, putting our faith into his knowledge of this boat and the ocean. And this is freaking exhausting. This desert, it's kind of impassable. We are so far in the middle of nowhere on our way to a random place that was picked up off the map.
There's a neat little estuary, and my idea is to go camp at that estuary there.
It's been about 3 hours on this road. Dude, he is bumping. We'll put our seatbelts on. Alright, we are trying to make it all the way down to that bay. And this is a steep cliff. Down this big cliff face. This is a little fishing village I've been talking about. Just a place that we drew up on the map and wanted to check out what was there. But the roads have definitely gotten a little bit adventurous. Damn. ABS is locking up. Are so remote. Climbing down the side of this cliff. The road snakes down throughout this valley and then out over these mountains. This place is pretty crazy and a little spooky on the edge. Wow. Look at this crazy spot. This is insane. There are just insane mountains everywhere. Oh! Whew, almost dumped the bike. Taking the off-roads to really remote places. We had no idea the mountains were gonna look like this. Pretty slippery on the banks. Dude, I broke all the straps on this guy. I was waving to some people, but he didn't really wave. Yeah, I'm almost there. Just the road is gnarly. Dude, you're just sinking this stuff. It's basically like Utah meets some random fishing village meets the ocean. Easy cliffs over there. One of the best riding days of my life. We are spent. And this stuff. Hey, I see Leo. Where are you, Colton? Hey. Do you see Colton?
Yeah, he's just right there.
Oh, okay. The town is not much.
Yeah, no, I knew. Not a town.
People don't seem that friendly either. I don't know, their dogs try to bite us, so we didn't really stop and say hi.
Does it look like we can get to the north?
Yeah, there's I think from town there's a bunch of roads that go everywhere. So maybe just ask one of the people there, I think. Glad we found you. This is the one we took left.
Oh, yeah, we thought this
We actually went this way, but I think you can go this way.
Yeah, I think we probably need to go that way, because according to this, that's kind of where we wanted to head anyway. So
This will put us right into town, I promise.
all right.
Dude, I had that same experience with the torque. Second gear got me right up on top of it. First gear was digging me in. asking for directions. Wow, the cove looks beautiful though. Alright, we're gonna try and cross the estuary and go up that hill up there. Ow! Branches are pokey. Alright, Leo might be coming up the road.
Yeah, cool. Hey, this place is crazy beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Wow. Does it look like you can get to the other beach through this road?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know if you wanted to drive that in your truck though, it gets real steep right there. Inspection after 2 weeks, a little over 2 weeks riding off-road in Baja. It's very, very bad. That is not good.
Dead.
Alright, this is the state of my air filter. Looks like it's working though, so but I'm gonna change this pre-filter. Alright, we are out in the desert and I'm not forgoing my luxuries of having my computer working, so I'm charging my computer off my bike, which is actually working pretty nicely. I blew 2 fuses, but then I switched to a larger fuse and it's working. Alright, I've been keeping my pre-oiled pre-filters in this bag under my rear rack. See if they are still in good condition. Place my air filter and it's looking a lot better now. It's not gonna matter
Until we crash.
until it hooks my eyeball.
It's not gonna matter
Now I kind of want to wear a helmet.
It's not gonna matter until it does.
Oh, nice job, Leo.
What?
Easy peasy.
Alright, I'm on.
How's the rod? Does it look okay? Maybe. Go up exploring the backcountry here.
Yeah, I think a bird got it.
There's a lot of fish carcasses on the beach. That's a good sign.
Look at my skin.
Cool. Yeah, it's a pretty crab. Probably hook a rock and get nab one, yeah? We're having bonito sashimi. This is the way you brew coffee with a reusable filter. This just makes so much more sense to me. I'm gonna pick up one of these for my trip. Looks like a little witch hat, an upside down witch hat. All right, we got a fish delivery. Lay off the boat. La Coco. Pacoco. Those birds don't come after my fish I just bought from this guy. Next step, after making the fire, break down the coals into a nice coal bed. 3, marinate and wrap the fish. That right there is a campfire fish. Oh, did he grab the line of the hook?
I just snagged them. Let me show you a picture. What did I do with
It's a
my...
male. Step 1, we cracked and cleaned the crab, and next step, we are steaming it. Fresh harvested crab. Consensus is this crab is really good. This is freaking exhausting. This desert, it's kind of impassable. There is not a way out of here. People were not joking when they said that this was a bad road. We should have probably taken them more seriously since all the roads here in Genoa were bad and they were trying to tell us not to go down this road. Eerie driving with all the vultures. I feel like if the people who live out here say the roads are bad, that's probably not a good sign. Clearing the roads. That goes up there and follows that ridge on narrow single track, and that's the Scout Trails. This is a road, kind of a really bad angle going into the... Dude, sending the drone up and looking for the route is kind of our best option here. Over this canyon, up this ridge, through washed out roads. This road dead ended here, so we went down this draw, through a bunch of wash, and up this road. Now we're headed down this road to run down this ridge, and then down to a playa, to take the playa road all the way back. I don't know which way you went. I hate these cactuses. Go left, maybe. Guarantee you not a lot of overlanders are coming out here. Wow. This is a beautiful beach. It's crazy. There's no roads and we just followed a cattle trail. We thought it was a road. This has been the price of it though. Lots of cactus scratches everywhere. I'm pretty sure Colton is not having fun anymore. Pretty exhausting being on these roads. That was a thrill. Leo preparing his catch of the day.
This was a Chinese meadow, otherwise known as a hawkfish. And we're gonna roll it in some breadcrumbs and fry it in coconut oil. Put it on tortillas. That should be good.
That does look good.
Yeah.
Skin of the fish that Leo just filleted. Got these like tiger stripes on it.
I just wanted to.
How's the catch of the day? Chinese motto? Talking with the fisherman, he came over for dinner, and I had the inspiration of taking motorcycles by boat to the next port city and then driving down to La Paz. Bike's loaded up on this boat. And our faith into his knowledge of this boat and the ocean, and I try to unload these two bikes with just 3 people. Just putting his trust into this trailer right here.
For 3 nights. Well, that little
Feels pretty smooth to me. Except for that one bearing. This could be the last time I see you. Hopefully not. Hopefully we'll see you soon.
This is our video before the incident. Love you, Mom and Dad. Ocean voyage. going from Quimbo Beach to San Avenisto, and these guys took us, and it was their first time loading motorcycles into the boat, but they did perfectly fine, and the ride wasn't too bad. We didn't think it was gonna work at first this morning because it was just not a lot of space, but turned out that we could fit the bikes in at a certain angle, and it all worked out. Now we're gonna head from San Avenisto to La Paz. All right, we just got off the boat, got all my bags loaded up again, and get back on the road. Never know. Yeah. Holy shit, slow down. Oh, corner, 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 corner. Oh! It's the right road, dude. Dude, these rocks are straight green. I've never seen any rocks like this before. Wow. Never seen anything like this before. What is this stuff? Just the crazy scenery. Dude, I've never seen colors like this. It's like red and green. Tense. Wow, okay, this is like, I'm stopping. Alright, take a picture. The windy roads with the hot air. Big sand. Woo! I hit that rut bad, but I survived. What is this place? The salt mine? Yeah. What is that guy tilling?
Dude, I go faster on that. I think we might have missed the turn.
Nah, that bus was going somewhere. Hold on.
I think we need to try to get on that road that bus was on.
Are we not on it?
No, it was on the, we were on the...
I thought we merged with... Dude, this road has it all.